Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. Have I got a beautiful palette to share with you today. Bleeding Hearts from Gourmande Girls. Gourmande Girls' new logo. They're revamping the brand, so to speak, with this gorgeous holiday palette. If I can get it out of the sleeve, I shouldn't have put it back in to begin with. I might have to just go ahead and tear it here in the corner so I can show it to you guys. But I am always so excited when Christina, the owner of Gourmande Girls, releases a palette, and better so when she sends it to me in PRs. Thank you so much, Christina, for sending this my way. This is what we are going to be working with today. I'm going to be creating two looks for you guys. Here are the beautiful shadows. And yeah, this palette, I want to give you some information on it. This palette is going to drop on Wednesday, so the day after you are watching this video. It's going to drop Wednesday, January the 21st at 10 a.m. CST. It retails for $56.99. I do have an affiliate code Steff that will help you save 10% off this palette. Anything else you want to buy over on the Gourmande Girls website. The only thing that codes do not work on are bundle options because she already discounts them when she puts stuff in a bundle. But if you want to buy individual palettes, maybe you're going to pick this up and an eyeshadow primer, then you should be good to go with receiving 10% off. Now, before we start creating look number one, I want to let you guys in on a little secret, just a little secret. There's going to be a giveaway in today's video. I'm going to let you know all the details. Well, they're already in the description box of this video, but towards the end of my video, I will let you know what you need to do to enter, so on and so forth. If you want to get a head start, just go straight to the description box. But I will be giving away one of these Bleeding Heart palettes along with some other makeup goodies I have here in my stash to one of you lucky winners out there. Don't forget to check the description box for full details on how you can enter to win Bleeding Hearts by Gourmande Girls. Now, let's start with look number one. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with this Moira eyeshadow primer. I have it in white and I have it like in a flesh tone shade. But I am also looking for a new eyeshadow primer. If you have any recommendations, not a glitter primer, an eyeshadow primer. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Put them in the comments. Okay, I'm wearing black and cream to work today. That's the little sweater I have on right now. So anything is gonna go. Anything. I am seeing green and brown. I'm also kind of drawn to this little area over here. And I think I'm going to start here and work with these three matte shades. And let me see what I can create. I'm taking the shade Beloved on a Rephr 15, and we're going to apply this right above the crease in that transition area. Very nice pigment, easy to blend matte shadow. Kind of just wing it out here. Now in a Rephr 13, I'm going in with this shade right here, Nightshade Vein. Going to add that to the outer corner as well as bring it into the crease. So now we're going to lay down some of the Gourmande Girls glitter primer to the lid, and that way we can pick a beautiful shimmer shadow. I think I already know which one I want to choose. This is what the Gourmande Girls primer looks like, and it's just a clear gel primer. You do want to let it sit for a minute to where it gets tacky and not wet. Now while that's drying, I believe this is the shimmer that I want to go in with. I know this one would look great, but I don't know, there's something about this one that I really want to work with, and then we're going to do the gray for the lower lash line. This shade is called Glass Heart, and I did just swirl my brush in there to make sure that I got all of the different shadows that were in there. That looks really, really pretty. I'm going to touch up the purple matte. And now I think I am going to add, I'm going to pick this shade up with my finger. And just do a little bit right there in the center, just to add, ooh, I was going to the other eye, there's nothing over there. Just add a little bit of pop. And it does. Now we're going to go in with that gray matte for the lower lash line. I'm using a rougher 26 to apply the shade. Not taking it all the way through. I'm going to leave some extra so that I can add a beautiful shimmer. Probably that same shimmer I just added to the center of the lid. I think that's so pretty. Using my Refro 03, I just picked up some of that shade and I sprayed it with a little setting spray. And now I'm adding it right in the inner corner. Okay, guys, I am gonna pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number 1. My eyeliner is still a little bit wet, so I don't want to open my eye fully, but that's what the look is looking like. It's CoverGirl black eyeliner on the top lash line. I went in with the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and I'm using this mascara, the Idole Mascara Flutter Extension from Lancome. And then for the lower waterline, it's an LA Girl Neon Shockwave Eyeliner. I think the shade is Vivid. It's the only purple one that they have. And I love the way this turned out. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for the second look, I really want to do something with the green. I think the green is a really nice deep color, pop of color to include in this otherwise pink, red, purple palette, and green and brown perfect together, as does the red complement those shades. So I'm going to go in with the brown shade first, and then we'll have the green be the accent on the outer corner. And I might end up using this red actually for the lower lash line. It's going to be a fun look. Stick around. Now I'm taking this brown shade called Buried Roots on a rougher 14. You kind of see I'm just placing it in the crease right now. It is a very pigmented, deep shade, and I don't want it to get away from me. So I'm going kind of slow with this, just small circular motions and back and forth motions. I don't want it to go up too high. I think we have some really good pigment right here. So I don't want to keep going because I will need to touch it up. Let me grab my Rougher 13 and then we'll get started with that green shadow. So Rougher 13 and the shade Twilight Stem. And we're just going to be putting this right out here, also bringing it through the crease, but trying to let that brown still come through. You'll see I'm also putting some along the lower lash line, or not the lower lash line, but the base of the upper lash line on the lid. Get it to be really, really like a smoky eye. I'm going to go back in with the brown. If I can find where I laid down my brush, here it is. Just pick up very little and go over the top just to make sure that they're blended together nicely. Gonna add some of my glitter primer to the lid. Now for the shimmer shadow, we're gonna go in with this one called Wrath Light. Taking this on my Rougher 21, same brush I've been using for these shimmers. Ooh, this is beautiful. So we've created a, as of now, a more neutral look. And if you cannot wear fun colors to work, then this palette definitely lends itself to doing something a little more neutral. I'm gonna punch this up a bit because I'm gonna add that red to the lower lash line, but if you needed to keep it a little more conservative, go in with the brown or the green on the lower lash line. Now my Rougher 26, this red shade is called Mist Flower. That is a beautiful shade of red. Really good mattes in this palette. It's just turning out to be a good all-around palette. Shimmers, mattes, duochromes. Really love that. A little bit of glitter glue left. Gonna apply it right here. And I think this is the only shimmer we haven't used. This one, it looks like a sequin, but this is one, oh, and the red shimmer. I'd rather use this one. pop that right there. Complements what we have going on the top and the lid. Okay, got just a little bit of fallout, nothing major. I'm gonna go off camera, take care of finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the second and final look with bleeding hearts. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this red eyeliner from ColourPop. It's called Cherry Pie. I think it's since been discontinued. Other brands like NYX and ColourPop have red eyeliners that of course you can choose from. And I love both of these looks equally. I don't know which one I'm going to choose, but let me go ahead and wrap up today's video. I'll share with you guys my final thoughts and how you can enter today's giveaway. Okay guys, so I created 2 looks using Bleeding Hearts right here, the latest Valentine's Day palette from Gourmande Girls. Beautiful, beautiful shadows in this one. Let's see, we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 14 different shadows, a nice mix of multichromes and duochromes, buttery mattes. These shadows blend themselves. They're sparkly, they're buttery, they're smooth, they're pigmented, and more importantly, they're just fun. They're beautiful to look at. This is a beautiful way to celebrate Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love it. This palette's going to drop on January the 21st at 10 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. If you are not able to pick this palette up on Valentine's or tomorrow when it launches, I am going to be doing a giveaway here on my channel. Now, this giveaway, I want to make sure I have all my dates correctly. This giveaway is going to open today, and it's going to close on January the 27th. That's a Tuesday at 7 p.m. CST. This is an international giveaway that is void where prohibited, and the winner assumes all taxes, duties, and fees necessary to get the package to you, meaning I'm going to pay to ship it to your country, your city, but if you need to do anything after that, tariffs, anything, that is something that you will need to pay in order to receive this package at your home. There is a Google form in the description box. That is what I do, how I use my tool that I use for all of my giveaways, and I'm just asking you for some basic contact information. If you have an Instagram, I'll ask you for that as well. That way I can contact you on both places. But at 7 p.m. on January 27th, shortly after, the computer will randomly choose a winner, and then I will notify you via email. You will have 24 hours to accept, and then we will move forward from there. I'll have you verify some of the information you included in the spreadsheet. You'll know it's me by my email and the questions I'm going to be asking you. But just know that I know YouTube has cleaned up a lot of negative comments, spam comments, but just to be safe, I am not making any comments on today's video. Don't ask me a question. Don't expect me to answer. All I'm going to do is give you guys a little heart, and that will be to acknowledge that, you know, I read your comment and I appreciate you leaving a comment. What are the rules? What do you have to do in order to win? You have to be, first and foremost, subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video, and you have to leave a comment about one of your favorite things about Valentine's Day. And if you don't have a favorite thing about Valentine's Day, maybe makeup can be your new favorite thing. Whatever it is, please read all of the rules that are in the description box as well as that are on that Google form, just to make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and that I get you entered for this giveaway. And again, it's not going to be just this palette. I'll include some other things that I have here in my stash, but this is my way of being your Valentine, especially if you don't have a Valentine this year. I got you covered. Steff will be your Valentine. Let me know your thoughts. What look was your favorite? Maybe makeup is your favorite thing about Valentine's Day. Let me know what your favorite thing is. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.